So Professor Mariano Sanz from the University of Madrid here in Spain is co-chair of the second working group, which deals with mucositis, management of mucositis. So Mariano, can you give us a brief impression about the scope of your working group?
Sure, Bettina. As you know, in the recent classification of peri-implant diseases, two conditions were defined. One was peri-implant mucositis, and the other one peri-implantitis. So indeed, peri-implantitis is the deeper disease, the more relevant from a clinician standpoint. But peri-implant mucositis is also very important, because if we are able to control peri-implant mucositis, we can prevent the initiation and progression of peri-implantitis. So our working group is dealing with how to treat peri-implant mucositis. How is the basic treatment, and what are the different adjuncts that we can use to control the inflammation of the peri-implant soft tissues, which is the pathology associated with this condition.
So the European Workshop on Periodontology started in 1993, so almost 30 years ago in Itting in Switzerland. And when did it move to Spain?
Well, actually, it was the 8th workshop that was held in Itting when Klaus Lang decided that after 8 workshops, it was about the time to move and change the leadership. So they nominated me, and I accepted, and the EFP voted for that. And I said, if I have to lead this, I would like to bring it to Spain. So we brought it to Spain. I found this beautiful place in the vicinity of Madrid, about 90 kilometers on the mountains, which is the perfect place to be secluded and to work hard in this consensus workshop. So we came here the first time. We were so gladly impressed by the facilities, the infrastructure, the ambience, the gastronomy, the whole thing, that we have not moved since then. So now it's about 14 years later than the first time we came here, and we are still coming, and the people are happy to come, and the results, of course, speak for themselves in terms of the production, which are the workshops and the publications and these very important documents that we have developed in this place.
Yeah, it's indeed an amazing environment. I think people enjoy it a lot. So thank you very much for the time, and good luck for the voting in the plenary.
Thank you very much, Bettina.